Fun with Magnet, Class 6th, Chapter 13, 4th part. Uses of Magnet. Magnets are used for a variety of things these days. Take a paper clip to the fridge. Find out the areas of the fridge where this clip gets stuck. Then you will find that the edges of the door contain magnet inside them. This is why the door of the fridge closes on its own. You might have seen similar magnets on the doors of Almirah as well. Chess, ATM card holder, pin holder, these all are magnetic. They contain some magnet. Children, television, chess, computer, music system, watches, magnetic buttons in dresses and carry bag, etc. all contain magnets of some or the other shape. Magnets, these are also used to make self-closing pencil boxes. Some of you have self-closing pencil boxes, pin holder, etc. Magnetic strips are used in credit and ATM cards that store informations. Magnets are used in storage devices such as hard disk. They are used in medical diagnosis such as MRI, magnetic resonance image, in which the image of the internal organ is formed on the monitor or on the screen. Maglev trains. Maglev trains have no wheels. The trains are pulled by magnetic force acting on the rails. These trains can move at very high speed. Children, you are seeing a pic of the maglev train. Maglev, this is a short form of magnetic levitation, which means lifting a body up by magnetic force. Since these trains move a little above the rails, they can move very fast. Preserving magnets. Now children, we understand how can we preserve magnet. There are some things which must be kept in mind while playing with magnets. Magnets should never be kept near electronic items as they affect the magnetic field present in electronic items and disrupt their working. So don't keep magnet near television, computer and some speaker, etc. The magnet should never be beaten or dropped from height. This destroys their magnetic character. When the magnet is beaten with hammer or dropped from the height, then their magnetic character may lost. Never heat or hammer a magnet. On heating a magnet, magnet loses its magnetic property and this become demagnetized, the phenomena due to which a magnet loses its magnetism. This phenomena is called demagnetization, the process by which a magnet loses its magnetism. So this is called demagnetization. Now, while storing, bar magnet should be kept in pairs in a wooden box with their opposite ends on one side and a wooden block between them. Bars of soft iron should be used to join the ends together. These bars are called magnetic keepers, and this ensures that the magnetism of the magnet does not get disrupted. An iron bar should be kept across ends of horseshoe magnet. Children, you are seeing pick iron pieces keeper. These are placed in between the two bar magnet, and iron bar, this is placed at the ends of the horseshoe magnet. Magnets can be used for many years provided one take care of them.